Understanding talking big in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, talking big. If you've ever come across someone boasting or perhaps exaggerating their abilities, then you're in the right place to learn more about this expression. Let's get started. Talking big refers to someone who talks in an extremely confident and boastful manner. Often, they might be making promises or claims that are exaggerated or unlikely to be fulfilled. It's like painting a grand picture of oneself that may not be entirely accurate or true. To better understand talking big, let's look at some examples. Imagine someone says, "I'm the best basketball player in the whole town," without actually having played competitively. That's talking big. Or consider a friend who claims, "I can easily run a marathon without any training," when they rarely exercise. That's another classic case of talking big. People might talk big in various situations, such as during job interviews, social gatherings, or even in marketing. It's a way to impress others or to boost one's ego. But beware, talking big can often lead to embarrassment or loss of credibility if the claims are proven to be false. When you encounter someone who is talking big, it's important to listen critically and take their words with a grain of salt. It's okay to be impressed, but also stay skeptical. If their claims affect you directly, you might want to ask for evidence or proof of their assertions. And that wraps up our look into the phrase, talking big. Remember, while it's great to be confident, it's even better to be honest and realistic. We hope this video has given you some insights into this interesting phrase and how to interpret it when you hear it. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to talk the talk, but in a way that truly reflects who you are. Until next time, goodbye and keep learning.